Welcome to MarineMax Seabrook. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a tour of our 2018 Scout 355 LXF. This is a new model for 2018. We're really excited about it. Powered by triple 300 Mercury Verados with the joystick piloting. Nice big open cockpit towards the rear of the boat. Live well is located in the transom for easy access for grabbing baits, getting things ready, things like that. We do have a fold-out rear bench seat. Nice for a comfortable ride from the way in and out, plus a mezzanine seat here on the back side of the leaning post. This does have a built-in cooler located underneath as well. We've got two large fish boxes located in the floor here. We've got our dive door for easy access in and out of the boat, whether you're on the dock or coming in and out of the water. We've also got raw water and freshwater shower. We've got a hardtop, retractable hardtop on the back side of the T-top here, which this will extend out for sunshade, and then we can run it forward to get it out of the way when you're ready to start fishing. We've got storage located here on the starboard side of the leaning post. 3-man bolster all the way across. The seats are heated with the flip-up bolsters. This boat does have the triple 12-inch garments flush mounted here in the dash, which we've got camera located underneath the anchor forward. Chart plotter, fish finder, plus all of our switches are integrated into the dash as well. You can run the whole boat, lights, pumps, switches, everything from the helm of the boat. Plus we've got some additional controls up top. Bow thruster control, side of the wheel, plus our joystick control for the engines, and then we've got the 7-inch Mercury vessel view flush mounted here in the dash. So we work our way forward. Notice we've got a nice area for tools, brushes, things like that as you kind of working on the boat throughout the day. Beautiful lighting on the boat. We've got recessed LEDs under the T-top, plus up underneath the gunnels. The boat looks awesome at night. Work our way forward. We've got a big lounge seat for two. Looking on the front side of the console with some additional storage underneath here. Plus we've got storage underneath all the seats all the way around. Table's got a remote activated up and down, so we can drop it down, make it nice and flush. Cushions come off, so it'll make a nice casting platform as well. We've got lots of rod holders throughout the boat too, so all the way from the bow all the way to the stern, lots of places to set a rod down when the action gets going crazy. We've also got removable fender locks, port and starboard side, towards the bow and the stern. As we work our way down in the cabin, we've got plenty of room for sleeping for two adults down here. We've got a TV, DVD player. This is also air conditioned with a 12-volt air conditioning system with reverse cycle heat. Got our main distribution panel located behind the panel here, ignition switches, and then the head unit for the stereo. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2018 Scout 355 LXF.